Hi guys, join me as I walk you through the best real estate investment platform in the entire Africa, SEEDx. Let's go. First, you type in seedex.africa on your mobile phone. It brings you to the page where you create an account and you click on create account. So first I'm going to input my name, my first name actually, and then my last name, then my email address. So you can either use your email address or your phone number depending on your choice. The next is the referral code. So if you were referred by somebody, you're going to have to put the code here, or if you got a link, it will automatically fill in the person's code here. So I am done with my registration. I move on to setting up my PIN. So you input your 6-digit PIN and then you confirm. Loading, and voila, we're in the page. So I've been able to set up my account. The next is to go on a tour. So let's see what exactly is on SEEDx. First is managing your wallet, right? All your finances is being managed over here. And the next would be your properties. So every property you have, your property portfolio. Next is manage child. Here is the point where you manage all your wards profile and eventually all you want to do regarding their investment. So we go to the next part, which is very, very important. How do I load my account with money? So let's go straight to add money. I want to fund my wallet. So I'll be funding my wallet with ₦1 million. And then it takes you directly to the paystack checkout. You choose whichever form of transaction you would like to fund your account with, and then you input every detail needed to get your transaction done. So in my case, input the date of birth, which is obviously a test. Then you get the code from your phone number. You input the code, you confirm the code, and payment successful. Very, very easy to use, no hassle whatsoever. Now that my account has been successfully loaded with ₦1 million, the next thing I would like to do is to add a child so that I can begin an investment for my child. So I input the first name and the last name. Now if you have a middle name, definitely you can input it, but it is not compulsory. So you fix in your name, then you fix in the gender of the child, either a male or a female. Then here is the date of birth. So for this case, I'm going to choose September 2020. So we move on to uploading the birth certificate, which you get to do, and then the relationship you have. Obviously, he is my son, and save profile. Yes, now that I have successfully added my son to my account, the next thing I would like to do is to get a property for my child. So let's check out the properties available. Okay, so we'll go for Greenland. You check out the product summary, you check out the details of the land, the property benefits, the location. You can see the location directly from here. You can also check the pricing breakdown and every other detail that is needed. So I'm okay with this property. I click on purchase and I select the word. So I'm buying for Light Adekunle. Just in case you have many other, you can always pick whoever you want to buy the land for. I impute the number of plots for Light Adekunle, that's 1. Property duration, you impute the frequency of your payment, and then you go straight into the property. So here I can see the detail of everything. Voila, payment successful. Now I have successfully bought a property for my child, or I have successfully begun the journey of buying a property for my child. I can check out my properties here. You see different properties that are actually available to buy. You check in your wallet. This is exactly where you manage all your finances from. You have the detail of your profile. You complete your KYC. You check out your profile. You check out the security. You check out the support. Every different part of this page you can easily navigate, and this is one of the reasons why I love SEEDx, because of the user friendliness. you can navigate through all of the platform easily without having so much guide. SEEDx, my number one.